Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel. So if you've seen the last video on the channel, that was on the Skoda Fabia. So that's now finished. So we're getting on to the next rebuild project. You probably can see what it is on the thumbnail. So let's get straight on to the cinematics. So it's a 2015 Mercedes CLA 220 AMG Estate. When I say AMG, it's not the powerful AMG, it's an AMG line. So it's got style impact wheels, seats, bumpers, etc. It's only got 59,000 miles, so it's got good mileage. So what we'll do now, we'll do a walk around the car, show you what it's got and what the damages are. So I'll post a photo, just before we do the walk around, I'll just post a photo of how the car was dropped off to us from Copart. So our recovery guy dropped it off. It was quite late in the evening, so it's dark. So we've had to remove the front bumper and the passenger front wing. The reason why we've removed the passenger front wing, so we can open the door, because we cannot get in the car from the driver's side. So if we left the wing on, it's going to damage that passenger door, which is a good one. And the bumper was dragging on the floor, so we've just removed stuff so we can maneuver it about a lot easier. So we'll start on the passenger side front. As you've seen from the photo, when the car got dropped off, it did have some light damage to the passenger front corner. So if you can see, it is creased down on this corner. Pete's going to undo the bonnet now for us. But the good news for me and Pete, it has not touched any of the structural part of the underside of the bonnet, which means we can take this to the body shop, they'll straighten this and paint it, because that is the only damage on the bonnet. And then this part here where the wing bolts up to, if you can see, there is a slight bit of damage on the end, but that's a nice easy job. That just needs straightening. We have fully checked further back, there is no creases or buckles. Passenger front suspension's all good. This has gone a bit rusty just from where it's been parked up. And another bit of good news, it did not touch this crash bar, which means the radiators, the intercooler, condenser is all good. And obviously the front panel, because on the newer cars, they are plastic. So the passenger front, we're going to need a headlight, a wing, arch liner, probably a few little brackets and clips. So here's the engine bay. It's a nice, honest 59,000 mile 2015 car. We will give it a clean when the car is finished. As you can see as well, that is full of antifreeze, chassis legs, which are, you've got the aircon line and some wires with the engine mount. But the chassis leg is nice and straight, same as the passenger side. But that's brilliant news that everything's all straight on the front. So now on to the driver's side. I would assume it's had a side swipe. So we'll start from the wing. If you can see there, the damage here, it's bowing up. I would say because obviously the passenger side had damage and the bumper was hanging off due to the damage, it's pushed this up, but the wing needs replacing anyway. As you can see further back on the wing where it's had the swipe. Luckily, it's not touched the side skirt or anything underneath on the sill. So it's going to be a new wing for this side. new door. I would assume as well the wing mirror got pushed into the window, which then the window shattered. So there is pieces of glass in the car, which will get cleaned up. So we're going to need a wing on this side, driver's front door, driver's rear door. You probably could get that repaired, but it just saves time. It probably costs less than getting it repaired, just getting a replacement door. There is no further damage on the side of the car. So that is all the damage to the car. So the passenger front corner, and obviously the driver's side, 2 doors and a wing. Rear, nice and clean. It is a lovely car. Really like the colour. Nice grey. Passenger side, if you can see, where's the fuel filler cap lid? It was on the copart photos. When the car got dropped off, me and Pete thought the same. Where is it? Luckily in the car, it's here. Just needs clipping back on. And the reason why the side skirt is on the floor, we had to take the side skirt off to remove the front passenger wing. But yeah, this side as well, no further damage. Is a nice tidy car. So here's the interior. One thing I do like about this car is the design of these seats. Really nice looking seat. I prefer the backs of them. They're heated as well, which is a bonus. It's a nice spec car. So it's got, you've probably seen, it has got panoramic roof that does move. Nice media system with the screen. It is a 7-speed auto, this car. Interior is nice and clean. Obviously it is dirty, obviously from pieces of glass, etc. Armrests we need to replace. Pieces of shattered glass, obviously from that window. But the back's nice and tidy as well. Let us know in the comments what you think to the car. So I just thought I'd show you the car running, as it is a run and drive. And that is the last thing for today's video. So that's the end of today's video. I just thought I'd do a walk around of the new project, get it on the channel and see what you guys think. So let us know in the comments what you think to the car, if it's going to be an easy repair. And also, if you are new to the channel and if you like today's video, smash that like button and click the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so you get a notification on the next video. Yeah, thanks again guys for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.